Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. I'm going to make a homemade Guinness Stout BBQ sauce for my oven roasted pork spare ribs. And on the side, I'm making a herb butter roasted potatoes. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using for the barbecue sauce. Salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, molasses, smoked paprika, Guinness Stout beer, dry mustard, an orange, cumin, ketchup, and the spare ribs. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a rub on the spare ribs. I made a homemade rub myself. In this container, I have cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, and salt. We're going to take this and we're going to put it on the spare ribs and rub it all in the spare ribs. Give it a good rub. Now, we're going to let this sit here for about 10 minutes and let it marinate a little bit in the seasoning. I'm making the Guinness Stout barbecue sauce now. I have a sauce pot here, turning it on medium-low. And the first thing we're going to do is add the ketchup to the pot. The brown sugar, the apple cider vinegar, the cumin, the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, the dried mustard. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. The Worcestershire sauce, paprika, the Guinness Stout beer, and we're going to put the molasses in. Stir it up. I'm adding a little red pepper flakes. This is optional. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to add a half an orange in now. Gonna stir it up. And we're gonna let this simmer between 20 and 30 minutes or until it gets thick. I'm putting the marinated ribs onto the pan.
What's the difference between oven-baked ribs and grilled spare ribs?
Oven baked gives you a juicy, fall off the bone texture. But grilled give you that smoky, crispy texture. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven. My oven is set to 380 degrees, and I'm going to cook this for an hour. And after an hour, I'm going to baste them with the sauce, then put them back into the oven. These are the ingredients for the herb roasted potatoes. I have in here rosemary and thyme, unsalted butter, salt, and olive oil. I have a pot here, and we're going to put water in the pot. I'm going to add some salt to the water. I'm adding the potatoes to the pot, I have them cut into circles. We're going to bring this to the boil and let it cook for about 5 minutes. I've taken the potatoes out of the pot and I put them in a cold water bath. Now we're going to make the herb butter sauce. I'm adding the olive oil to the pot. The butter. And the rosemary and thyme. We let this here cook up together for about 5 minutes. You place the potatoes on a sheet pan, and now we're going to drizzle the herb butter sauce over the potatoes.
So you're flipping them over to make sure they're coated.
Yes, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven and let them cook for about 20 minutes or till they're nice and brown on each side. Now I'm going to coat the ribs with the sauce, then put them back in the oven. You can use this sauce with chicken, beef, or lamb. Here you have it, homemade Guinness Stout BBQ sauce with oven-baked pork spare ribs and herb roasted potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Don't forget to hit that like button.